Torrential slide cost remained at $19.5700 a coin, which is genuinely huge. The present range, $19.4600, $20.0800 in an unobtrusive way. Yesterday's nearby, $19.4700, which is genuinely huge. The change, plus 0.1000, plus 0.51%, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Avax in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide value expectation for later week and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, February 20. By and large least cost $18.88. Lovely greatest $21.72, and by the day's end cost $20.30 a coin in a significant manner. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, February 21. Least cost $17.96, most extreme $20.66, and by the day's end cost $19.31 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Least cost $19.86. Most extreme $22.86, and toward the day's end cost $21.36 a coin, or so they really thought. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. Lovely least cost $20.37, especially greatest $23.43, and by the day's end cost $21.90 a coin. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, February 24. Beautiful least cost $20.16, for the most part greatest $23.20, and toward the day's end cost $21.68 a coin, which certainly is very critical. In multi-week Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, February 27. Least cost $19.90. Lovely most extreme $22.90, and by the day's end cost $21.40 a coin. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. In every practical sense, least cost $20.08, most certainly greatest $23.10, and by the day's end cost $21.59 a coin, which truly is very critical. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, Walk 1. Least cost $20.13, most extreme $23.17, and by the day's end cost $21.65 a coin, or so they essentially thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 2. Least cost $17.71. Greatest $20.37, and by the day's end cost $19.04 a coin, or so they fundamentally thought. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, Walk 3. Least cost $17.09, fundamentally greatest $19.67, and by the day's end cost $18.38 a coin. In about 14 days torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, Walk 6. By and large least cost $18.11, especially most extreme $20.83, and toward the day's end cost $19.47 a coin, which especially is very critical. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, Walk 7. Sort of least cost $17.70. Sort of most extreme $20.36, and by the day's end cost $19.03 a coin, or so they thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 8. Fundamentally least cost $17.15, really most extreme $19.73, and by the day's end cost $18.44 a coin, or so they basically thought. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, Walk 9. Exceptionally least cost $16.77, sort of greatest $19.29, and by the day's end cost $18.03 a coin in a significant manner. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, Walk 10. Certainly least cost $16.80. Really most extreme $19.32, and toward the day's end cost $18.06 a coin, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, Walk 13. Kind of least cost $16.43, sort of most extreme $18.91, and by the day's end cost $17.67 a coin, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 14, essentially least cost $18.18. Especially most extreme $20.92, and toward the day's end cost $19.55 a coin, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday. Walk 15, really least cost $18.18, truly greatest $20.92, and by the day's end cost $19.55 a coin, in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 16, truly least cost $17.11, truly greatest $19.69, and by the day's end cost $18.40 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Friday. Walk 17, least cost $17.29. Truly most extreme $19.89, and by the day's end cost $18.59 a coin, which basically is very huge. In about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday. Walk 20, fundamentally least cost $16.76, really greatest $19.28, and by the day's end cost $18.02 a coin. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday. Walk 21, for the most part least cost $19.44, fundamentally greatest $22.36, and by the day's end cost $20.90 a coin, or so they thought. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax conversion scale in a real sense remained at 0.0511 coins per $1. Today's reach, 0.0498 0.0514, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Yesterday's nearby, 0.0514 in an unpretentious way. The change, 0.00003. 0.58%, which fundamentally is very critical. United States dollars to Avax conjecture for later, week and month in an unpretentious way. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, February 20. By the day's end conversion scale 0.049 coins, sort of least 0.046, and especially most extreme 0.053 in a significant manner. United States dollars to Avax expectations on Tuesday, February 21. By the day's end conversion standard 0.052 coins, least 0.048, and greatest 0.056. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end conversion scale 0.047 coins, for the most part least 0.044, and by and large greatest 0.050. United States dollars to Avax expectations on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end conversion scale 0.046 coins, most certainly least 0.0